Hi, welcome to my channel Bikram's Travel Diary, and today is day 3 and it's almost 6:30 and I have woke up really early today because I have to report to Jurong Bird Park at 8:30 sharp, and it takes almost 1.5 hours from here to go. I have started today at the break of the dawn because I really have very less time today, plus I have chosen the slot of 8:30, so unknown road. So that is the reason I gave some time at hand. So let us see how the public transport system works at this early hours. No doubt there is no question about the safety, but I'll also get a first-hand experience. So you guys stay with me, keep watching, stay tuned. So I have arrived at the Jurong Bird Park and I have arrived half an hour before time. The park is going to open at 8:30 and I am here at 8, so I have to wait for another half an hour. In the meantime, I'll just finish off my breakfast snack. I have bought some choco chips. This is so cool. I mean, to maintain a natural habitat for them. You can see this hole from here. Small ices are being thrown. So I have rented this buggy for $20 for 3 hours. It will help me save some time. Singapore is celebrating their Armed Force Day for coming 3 days. That is the reason this F-16, I guess, just like these are Caribbean flamingos. greater flamingos. Right now I am in Jurong Bird Park and in the waterfall aviary. This place is absolutely stunning, a must for every bird lover. It very much looks like a tropical rainforest. I am at this cool place where you can really feed those exotic birds and you can take some great shots as well, very up close. I mean, I have never been so close with these birds, these beautiful birds before. All these bird species over here are from Africa.
Yeah.
Can you help with the yellow bird? I mean, can they come close?
That's the closest they'll come.
Okay.
Yeah, they're more shy.
I'm loving it. This is awesome, man. This is awesome. I'm just loving it. I have never been so up close with a bird. I love birding, but never been so up close with them. See, the birds are being fed with worms, live worms.
over to the pool's amphitheater for high flyers. Thank you. So this morning we're going to take all of you on a flight and journey through a wonderful and colorful world of birds. We hope you will leave the show feeling amazed by our bird conservation champions and be inspired by all our feathered friends across the world. Speaking about feathered friends, I'm sure all of you can see a chicken walking behind me, right? Well, that is known as our bantam rooster. And the one that ran across the stage before I came out, that is known as the bantam hen. So with that, we have one more bantam rooster joining us on stage, but he will be coming out from that balcony over there. So everyone, keep your eyes right there. Let us welcome Chucky, our bantam rooster. So Chucky, whenever you're ready, oh hi Chucky! Okay, come, you want to join me on stage here? Come on. Look at him looking at all of you. Ready? Ready? And go! Good job! Let me give him a round of applause, everyone. Well done, Chucky. Looks like Gaia is still here, Adrian is still here as well, but not to worry. This will definitely be your next stop.
Hello there, Bikram.
Hello, Shari. What do you have with you?
Well, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this is Ep-3. Now, Ep-3 is a scarlet of course. Now, Ep-3 happens to be Jurong Park's Go Green for Wildlife Ambassador. Well, if Ep-3 hears any litter lying around, he'll pick it up and he'll throw it in the bin because he cares for the environment.
If he picks up litter,
Yeah, he does.
I don't believe you.
Okay.
I have something for you, okay? Let's see. I have 3 kinds of trash. I have a paper carton, I have a metal can, as well as a plastic bottle.
And Mitra, what I have here are 3 different kinds of bins. Well, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this one is for paper, this one is for tin can, and the last one is for the plastic bottle.
Okay, so let's see if he will be able to place the right trash into the right bin.
Alright, check this out.
That's the paper carton. Ah,
See? Now you believe?
it's starting to.
Yeah, I can see that. Okay, second one is the tin can.
Wow!
Isn't it amazing, right?
Yeah,
Okay, this one's easy, small, simple, just drop it in.
easy,
Easy.
easy,
Easy.
easy peasy. I don't think it's easy peasy for him because I think the bins are a bit too high.
But not to worry, lah, Mitra. You know why? These macaws are so smart that they have been seen using tools even in the wild. So I've got a tool.
A tool? Which is a stool?
Yeah.
Ippy, you know how to use a stool? Do you know how to use it? It's like that. Look at him. Arranged carefully. Okay. You know what to do? Look at that.
Oh,
Hello! Come on, let me pick you up over here. You join me first. There you go. Okay, so we have 2 of them joining us this morning. Let's see where's your partner. Hello, partner. Okay, so these birds they are known as Toto toucans. Toto toucans can be found in South America, just like the macaws you met earlier. Now, if you take a look at their beaks, very big, right? But it's actually very light and hollow, and this allows them to catch insects in mid-flight. So we're going to demonstrate to all of you just that. I don't have insects with me, but I have some grapes, okay? Hello there. Very impatient over here. What I'm going to do, I'm going to toss this grape way up high. Let's see if the toucans will be able to catch it in mid-flight, okay? Are you ready? Hey, what happened to you? Come on. Need to show everyone your skills. Come on, over here. Okay, stay right here. Okay, I have grapes with me. Look at this. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Do this one more time. Okay, 1, 2, and 3, go! You don't want to catch grape today? One more time. 1, 2, 3. Hey, what's wrong with you? Okay, you know what? Never mind. We'll try with your partner. This time your partner is very busy. Why don't you stay right here? Let me give you something to eat. Okay, hello. You want to try catching some grape? Come on. Oh, what happened to both of you today? Come on, over here. Okay. 1, 2, and 3. Go. There you go. That was a perfect catch by our Toko toucans. Okay, let's see. Let me take my microphone on first. Hi, you want to say hello? Hello. Oh, did you know that? That's very sweet. Hello. Okay, come. Now you introduce yourself, okay? Can you tell everyone here your name? Amigo. Did you hear that? His name is Amigo. We'll do this one more time, okay? Hi, ready? Can you tell them your name? Amigo. Amigo is his name. Now, Amigo, there's so many of them. How are you? Well, that is asking how are you? Wow, we have a very polite bird here today, and I hope everyone is feeling good today as well. Okay, so Amigo here, he's quite smart. He can count from 1 to 10 in English. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, perfect! Good job, Amigo! Happy birthday to the both of you. Thank you so much for celebrating your birthdays right here. In the bird nest, they will look for holes or cavities in trees. Can you see the nest box right there? Now there. Yeah, look at that. Wow, beautiful flight. Now one fun fact about these hornbills is that they are the only flying birds with long eyelashes. So if you want to see more hornbill and toucan species, all you have to do is, so people beside Wani or around her, please do not make any time and check out your nest box. Just give her some time. Very slowly checking it out. And now back to Africa, the birds with their sexy long legs, also known as the supermodels of the world. Ladies and gentlemen, our greater flamingo! Finally, let's not end there! And there you have it, everyone. A grand finale of birds. Can we give them all a round of applause? And with that, we'll come to the end of the Okay, so at this
So now it's the time to take some photos with the flamingo. So after the birding activity at Jurong, I have met one of my family friend. His name is Chetan. Chetan is was an ex-captain of Singapore national cricket team. He has represented KKR in 2009, and he's a celebrity over here. And I'm